day, ma'am. This is our task 3, and it's called two-wheel drive using IoT applications. So let me introduce myself first. I'm Oles Audel.
I'm Ronald Vilugmo.
Rodolfo Martin Ariola.
And Hans Fabricante.
I'm Ross and Rose. I'm Mariana Isli Arajes.
I am Christian Carmen Garcia.
And this project is these components of Arduino R3 with
L298 and motor driver.
LED.
with jumper wires.
DC Motors. With Bluetooth module AC05.
With 8 battery 12 volts.
And our project is, it is a Mr. Beat concept. First things first, you need to download an app and it is called SRITU Hub. If you want to connect this app to the car, you need to click this one. And then choose the HC05.
If you want to move forward, click the up button. And if you want to go backward, click the down button. And if you want to turn left, you click the left button. And if you want to turn right, click the right button. As you can see, it has some features of up, forward, backward, left, and right.
As you can see, we use the LEDs to this project. And the anode pin of the LEDs is connected to the 3.3 volts of the Arduino, and the cathode pins is connected to the ground of the Arduino.
Tastes good like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school.